A warm welcome to you. Today I'm back with another special diamond painting kit, a Christmas mystery box from Picmondoo. So yes, I'll be spoiling everything again. Only stay if you are curious to see what this cute little Christmas package is hiding, because I will definitely open it up. I won't keep you waiting. Let's see the first gift I can fish out of the box. And here it is. A small diamond painting kit. If I'm guessing right, it's a tiny holder, of course in Christmas holiday style. I'm definitely going to use it as a candle holder. But first, let's see what it actually looks like. I'll open it right now. Here is the instruction sheet, the assembling guide. The little holder is made of wood and it feels quite solid, so I'm pretty sure it will be stable once put together. Let me try assembling it, let's see how it looks. While I'm struggling with it here, I'll tell you, I really love mini kits. They are such a refreshing break between big projects. They are quick to finish, and thanks to all the sparkling diamonds, they can make any corner feel so cozy. Okay, I managed to assemble it. It will look something like this. I'll show you the final result later. Now I'll open the diamonds. You can already see through the package that these are round crystal diamonds with a few special shaped ones included. Let me show you a close-up. Here they are. If I counted correctly, there are 13 colors in total. Such a cute little kit. Alright, let's move on to the next surprise. And a whole bunch of gingerbread men. If I'm correct, these are Christmas tree ornaments you can hang. Let's open them. So the second surprise is another mini diamond painting kit. Again, Christmas themed, so you can really get into the holiday mood. Although in my case, the Christmas mood definitely started back at the end of October thanks to Picmondoo's fantastic advent calendar, so I'm already fully in the flow. Here are the little strings you can use to hang them. The gingerbread shapes figures look similar, but each one is slightly different. They are made of hard plastic, and I think you need to decorate both sides with diamonds. There are 6 figures in total. I'll peel back the film on one of them just a little, like this. I won't remove it completely, only when I start working on it. Here are the diamonds. Again, fully crystal rounds, 7 colors in total. Of course, there are extra bags of brown, which makes sense since that will be the main color. So, another adorable little kit. But let's move on to the third surprise. And here it is. Oh, a very cheerful Santa. Oh no, what is this? Ah yes, this is the glasses holder. How fun, let me open it. I think this is such a great idea. I mean, how many diamond painters don't need glasses when working with these tiny diamonds every day? I definitely do. So this surprise is perfect for me. You press it to open it. Okay, the diamonds are again round crystal ones, 5 colors in total. This will be a very quick project, I think. Here's a pattern up close. I'm not removing the film here either, so I don't damage the glue when I put it back. Now let's see the fourth surprise. Another mini kit. But what is this? These hooks look like they are meant for earrings. Let's open it. You can already see 4 tiny Christmas themed shapes inside the bag. And here they are. They are very lightweight, so they could easily be used as earrings. This gives me such a retro feeling. I never had a kit like this before. Here are the hooks. In my opinion, you can use them as earrings or even as keychains. Let's look at the diamonds. Quite a lot of diamonds for 4 tiny figures, even if you need to decorate both sides. Again, they are crystal rounds, 9 colors in total. Super cute. Let's continue. I'm almost at the end and I'm getting excited. And of course, here is the basic diamond painting toolkit, pen, tray, and wax. But there's something else rattling. Pink squishy. Oh my goodness. Who's stressed? Who's stressed? If you sit down to diamond paint, you definitely won't be. At least for me, it works every time. Hey, is there anything else? No, only the main surprise. This is what I've been waiting for, a diamond painting canvas kit. And it's a mystery one, which means I have no idea what the picture is until I complete it. First a toolkit, a tray, 2 heart-shaped wax, a diamond pen, and a grip, and a plastic multiplacer tip. Okay, no more waiting. Time to unroll the canvas. Drum roll, param pam 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 pam. The soft velvety canvas we know so well from Picmondoo, this time covered with a white protective sheet. Here's the symbol chart, all black and white, which is normal for mystery kits. After all, it's supposed to be a surprise, right? So, once again, the canvas size is 25 by 25 centimeters. It has 45 colors and it's full square drill. And yes, these are stickers, so preparing the storage containers will be quicker than usual since I can just stick the labels on and pour in the diamonds. Here is the canvas and of course the diamonds. A big batch again and a lot of colors. This will definitely be something colorful. Let me open the diamonds. I'm getting used to the fact that Picmondoo always includes way more diamonds than you will need. There are 3 AB colors here, red, yellow and white, so the painting will be extra sparkly. Here are the rest of the colors, lots of bright and soft purples, pinks, red tones and plenty of yellows, blues and greens. I'm really curious what this will turn into. I can't wait to start. And now you might get mad at me, but I'm not going to reveal the image. Let something remain a real surprise. But if everything goes well, you might see the finished result this weekend as a short video. So, this mystery box hides all these fun little kits. Let me show you where you can order it. Picmondoo is a German diamond painting company. They have lots of cool stuffs. Here is the website. I'll attach the link in the video description and of course the direct link to the mystery box as well. It's very easy to navigate the Picmondoo website, and if you use the code BB at checkout, you'll get 10% off. Let me show you. So, this is. And that's all for today's unboxing. Before I say goodbye, who would I recommend this kit to? Well, primary diamond painters, of course, but also anyone who has a diamond painting obsessed friend or family member. It's a guaranteed Christmas gift hit. I sincerely thank Picmondoo for the opportunity to present this box and thank you, dear viewer, for joining me. If you'd like to see how the items from this mystery box look once completed, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back as soon as I finish them. Wishing you a wonderful day and a blessed, joyful time of waiting for the magical Christmas season. This was Briggy, sending you a hug. Bye!